Today's winter warmer that's tasty and easy to make. Today we're going to be looking at beef stroganoff. Beef stroganoff is a Russian dish that was named after a real person. A 19th century diplomat named Count Pavlov Stroganoff. So let's get cooking. First thing we need to do is grab a kilo of steak, may it be chuck or any other type of steak you'd like to use, and cut it into strips of around 3 centimetres. Grab a fry pan and throw some oil in it and put on a medium heat and cook the strips of beef for 3 to 4 minutes until they're brown all over. Removed with a spoon and tip into the slow cooker. Cook the onions for around 5 minutes and add some garlic and cook for around 1 minute and then tip them into the slow cooker. Next, crumble in a beef stock cube, add cornflour and Dijon mustard and mix until you coat the beef. Pour enough water in to cover the beef and cook on high for 4 hours. Next, add mushrooms and sour cream. Cover and cook for 1 more hour, adding more water if necessary. Serve with fresh pasta or rice. And as you're serving, serve with a little bit of fresh parsley. So if you've liked this recipe, remember to like, subscribe and share. And come and have a look at the many other exciting and delicious recipes that I have on my channel. So this is Philip Gale and this is Philip's Cooking Recipes. You can also check up the one in the corner of this video. And until next time, bye for now.